Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Okay, today we will we will discuss regarding the flute what we will choose. So, I have seen lot of many of students they are confused to take which scale flute they are used to purchase. Sometimes I have seen C sharp they are using. Sometimes I have seen G sharp scales they are using. So my recommendation is to not purchase those sharp or flat flutes. Now what is sharp, what is flat, we will discuss in our scale theory later. But see, freeze in your mind very 2 points. One, C scale flute you need to purchase for all of my students, for all the students who wants to learn flute. C is the best. Number two, if your kids, generally it has been seen, if your kids is your finger length is little short. Generally kids below 8 years, their finger length is little shorter. So those cases they got difficulties to close the flute. They can go for D scale flute. Okay, after sometimes they again return back to C scale flute. When they are confident in Saregama Pathanisa how to play, they will return back to C scale flute. So two major points. What are those? Which flute you will use? All C scale flute for everyone. And for kids generally use D scale flute. Okay, hope you all are doing well. Stay in touch with us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.